So today's video is about my porch rail. The entire porch, the frame itself is made out of steel. I tried to design something, and did this a couple years back, something that would be more durable. The wood I found is garbage lately. The treated stuff doesn't last. So this porch is built with the composite decking, but I wanted a plastic PVC railing. But the railings I found were incredibly expensive, so I decided to try this. This is built entirely out of PVC pipe. Now, inside my main corner posts here, like this one, if I really pull, I can barely move it. This has it was the smaller steel fence pipe, and then it's 1 3/4 inch PVC with a 2-inch top cap. You can see I used a hole saw to cut the hole, and that just riveted it right here. So that makes it quite strong. Down at the bottom, I used the hole saw to cut a circular groove, then used a smaller hole saw to do the railings. These are just 1/2 inch PVC pipe that moves. And it's actually, all I did actually was when I was putting the top caps on, I just raised it up so I could slide them on there. So the 2-inch PVC on top, I put caps on it. I'd like to find some gray ones to switch it to. Coming down the steps here, I mean, it's quite strong. It makes a little bit of a creak if I put heavy weight on it, but I can actually pick myself up on this without it doing anything to it. And it's not new anymore. Down here, you'll see what I did. There's actually a length of the steel that I used inside here. So here is a steel pipe, and it's riveted, so that is not going anywhere. Let me get a view from farther back. You can see the whole porch is a system there. I have not done anything to the steps. I do need to finish that part of the project, but it's all built out of a steel frame, and it's quite sturdy. I hope this gives people some ideas, maybe for your own projects. Of course, you'll have to look at any local building codes to see what's allowed or not allowed, but here this worked well, so hope this helps someone.